Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, subscription businesses need flexibility, automation, and visibility. Zuora is one of the biggest names in subscription management platforms. Let's break it down. Zuora helps companies manage recurring billing, pricing models, invoicing, and revenue recognition in one system. It supports usage-based pricing, upgrades, downgrades, and complex subscriptions without breaking your workflows. With deep analytics and integrations with CRMs and payment gateways, Zuora gives team real-time insight into revenue, churn, and customer lifecycle performance. Zuora helps subscription business scale, automate, and stay in control of recurring revenue. If you're running subscriptions in 2025, Zuora delivers flexibility, automation, and enterprise-grade billing power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.